Kimi K2.5 just got released as a completely free and open source model. And here is what nobody is telling you about it. This thing does not work like a normal AI. It divides tasks across dozens of separate mini intelligence units working at the same time. That means a project that used to take you 3 hours now finishes in under 40 minutes. And because it is open source, you own the infrastructure. You are not renting access month after month like you do with Claude or ChatGPT. My name is Paul James. I help people turn AI tools into service businesses. And what I'm about to show you with Kimi K2.5 changes how freelancers and consultants can compete with agencies that have full development teams. Let me walk you through exactly how this works. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Most people trying to build AI services right now hit the same wall. They get a client who needs something complex. Maybe it is a real estate brokerage that wants property descriptions written, photos analyzed, and social posts created all at once. Or a consultant who needs competitive research across 12 different companies. You fire up Claude or ChatGPT and watch it work through everything one step at a time. Task 1 finishes, then task 2 starts, then task 3. It is slow, it is expensive per token, and your client is waiting. This is where Kimi K2.5 fundamentally operates differently than anything you have used before. Here is what makes this interesting. Kimi K2.5 uses what I call the division of labor protocol. Instead of one brain tackling your entire project sequentially, it breaks your request into specialized chunks. Then it assigns each chunk to its own dedicated sub-agent. These agents work simultaneously on their piece of the puzzle. When they finish, everything gets synthesized back into one coherent result. Think about how a construction crew builds a house. The electrician does not wait for the plumber to finish. They work in parallel. That is exactly what is happening inside Kimi K2.5. It can manage up to 100 sub-agents at the same time. Each one handles a specific microtask. The result is you get complex projects done in a fraction of the time. Now let me show you how this actually works in practice. Let us say you are running a service where you help fitness coaches build their online presence. A client comes to you and says they need website copy, email sequences, and social media captions, all written in their specific voice, all optimized for conversions. With a traditional AI, you would prompt it for the website copy first, wait for that, then prompt for emails, wait again, then do social captions. It is a linear process. With Kimi K2.5, you input the entire request once. The model identifies that this is really 3 separate jobs that do not depend on each other. It spins up 3 sub-agents. One writes website copy, one builds email sequences, one handles social captions. They all work at the same time. Within minutes, you have everything delivered together. The client thinks you have a team. You are just using leverage. Most people miss this next part. Kimi K2.5 is also exceptionally strong at vision-based tasks combined with code generation. That means if someone hands you a screenshot of a competitor website and says, recreate this for me, the model can look at that image and write the actual front-end code. You are not describing what you see and hoping it understands. You literally show it a picture. It analyzes layout, color schemes, spacing, typography. Then it generates HTML and CSS that matches. This opens up an entire service vertical, website replication for local businesses, landing page cloning for consultants, design to code conversion for agencies, all without needing to hire an actual developer. Here is where everything clicks. Because Kimi K2.5 is open source, you can download it and run it locally if you have the hardware. Or you can access it through their platform without paying the insane per token cost you see with closed models. That matters when you are trying to build a profitable service business. Your margins improve dramatically when your AI costs drop by 70 or 80%. You can take on more clients. You can offer lower prices than competitors who are stuck paying premium rates for Claude Opus or GPT-5. You are operating with a cost structure they cannot match. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me give you a concrete example of how someone could use Kimi K2.5 to replace an entire department. Imagine a contractor who manages multiple job sites. They need daily progress reports. They need client update emails. They need material orders checked against budget. They need safety compliance documentation. Normally, they would hire an admin assistant to handle this. That is $40,000 a year minimum. Instead, you build them a workflow powered by Kimi K2.5. The model spins up subagents for each task category. One agent monitors project management software and writes progress summaries. Another agent drafts client emails in the contractor's voice. A third agent cross-references material orders with the budget spreadsheet. A fourth agent generates safety compliance checklists based on current job site photos. All of this happens in parallel. The contractor gets everything in one organized dashboard every morning. You charge them $800 a month. Your AI costs are maybe $60. You just built a recurring income stream that solves a real business problem. This used to stress me out when I was trying to figure all of this out. The gap between what AI could theoretically do and what I could actually deliver to a paying client felt massive. Tools like Kimi K2.5 close that gap. You do not need to be a developer. You do not need a big team. You need to understand how to structure requests so the model can delegate work effectively. Here is another angle almost nobody is talking about. Kimi K2.5 excels at office automation tasks. Think about how many small businesses are still manually creating invoices, updating spreadsheets, generating PDF reports. You can offer document automation as a service. A client sends you their raw data. The model creates formatted Excel files with pivot tables. It generates professional PDF reports with charts and annotations. It updates Word documents with tracked changes. These are not futuristic use cases. These are things businesses pay for right now. And because the model uses parallel processing, you can handle document generation for multiple clients simultaneously without waiting in queue. The money in this comes from positioning yourself as the bridge between business owners who need automation and AI tools they do not understand. You are not selling software. You are selling outcomes, faster turnaround, lower overhead costs, consistent quality. A dentist office does not care about how many sub-agents Kimi K2.5 can orchestrate. They care that their patient reminder emails go out on time without paying a receptionist to manually send them. You become the person who makes that happen. The tool is just your leverage. Here is the piece that separates people who make money with AI from people who just play with it. You need to understand where your target market is already spending money on slow manual processes. Then you rebuild those processes using Kimi K2.5 and charge a fraction of what they currently pay. A marketing agency might pay a copywriter $3,000 for a full website. You can deliver the same output in an afternoon using Kimi K2.5 for under $50 in costs. You charge the client $1,200. They save $1,800. You make $1,150 in profit. Everyone wins. That is how you build a business around this. Picture what the next 60 days look like once you lock in your first 3 clients. Each one is paying you between $500 and $1,500 a month for automation services. You are using Kimi K2.5 to handle the heavy lifting. Your time investment drops because the model works in parallel. You are not sitting there babysitting sequential tasks. You set up the workflow once. Then you let the division of labor protocol do its thing. You start building case studies. You start getting referrals. Suddenly, you are not trading hours for dollars anymore. You are licensing access to intelligent systems that run whether you are actively working or not. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. As